Okay, this escape fascist is saying she's going to give away an escape artist's secret. I hope that's not it though, because that isn't going to work. Ah, right, I've got it. The jump cut. That's the secret. I've seen an escape artist use that before.
I'm an escape artist.
To be honest, my hands are so cold. Ha.
Mr. Deadlocks, you are missing some key information on this handcuff escape.
Who are you? And where'd this phone come from?
That's not important right now. Zoom in on the handcuffs.
Alright, no bother.
Zoom in more. Enhance.
Again, that's not good enough.
On the keyway.
Oh, sorry. I got it. Oh.
It's the key, the little bit of metal that can set me free. I see it. It's the key. Quick, grab the bugger and hand it to me.